and this bolt are loosened. Loosen the 12mm bolt on top, and it'll give enough slack to take the belt off. Remove the 10mm that holds the sensor on for the inlet. Remove it right from here. Mill for the high pressure line, which is on there. Got our banjo bolt for the high pressure line. Screenless bolt. And then you can unclip the reservoir itself from a little tab in here and then pull the reservoir up and out of the over tighten it. I'm guessing what that's for. So that goes in like so. You're gonna have to remove some of the coolant on top to get this hose off. If you can see, this little electrical connection here is connected to the back of the power steering pump. You want to unhook this here. This will come with you when you remove the pump. Now to remove the pump itself, there's one bolt here. You want to remove this one bolt here, and there's another one on the opposite side. It's under there. Now the two mounting bolts, the long one went on the right side, the shorter one went on the left side underneath. Okay, we'll gently remove your purge valve, purge solenoid, and then get at this 12mm back in here and take the purge valve connection off. Now you have clearance to get at that last bolt, 25 to the left of it. I'm going to use a long extension to get at this one down in here. I'm using this crazy flip out tool to get into all crazy angles that I need. It's really cool, and it's still electric all over the place. I mean, it's really awesome. I just use a magnet to retrieve it. Another smaller bolt. Now your whole assembly should just pull out. Just cleaning up the area in there from the leak. It was all messed up. There's one more 14mm on the back of the housing. The old pump will pull up, out. There's the old pump. There's the bracket. The electrical connection will just pull right off. Transfer the electrical connection to the back of the new pump.
You have to remove this piece and put it over here because it is the bracket for the alternator cover.
pump with the bracket back in place. With this other smaller bolt down below here. And you have that one on top that you took your purge off of. Make sure all your connections are correct. Little blue connection down there is connected, as well as below. We'll make sure the belt goes over the alternator, power steering, and then onto the crank. And then you can start tightening this bolt down, which in turn, as you can see, will bring the alternator up. Rotate the wheel lock to lock around 20 times, but don't go all the way to the side and jam the power steering pump to one side of the lock for any good amount of time, not even for a second. And then go check your reservoir. You should have bubbles. When the bubbles stop, top off the fluid. Check for leaks and enjoy your steering. Take care. You can go check out my other videos at SVTWRC, youtube.com.